Get into TV and film and sync licensing right now. If you're a producer or artist, I think you need to listen to this. All right, y'all. I'm Architect Mr. J. I'm an artist, music producer. Man, I've been in the TV and film world for about 10 years, but I've been producing for about 20 years. Currently, I'm an NBA music producer for the Houston Rockets. So it's been a blessing, man. This is like year 3 for me so far at the watching of this video. So yeah, man, I've got music on Power, BMF, the NBA, NFL, Ubisoft Games, Hustlers, the movie, the first Purge movie. Man, I've been on OWN Network, BET, MTV, Hulu, Netflix, you name it, I've been there. I've been there. Most of Viacom. I pretty much touched some of your favorite shows that you've watched in it without even knowing it. NCAA, March Madness, Sprite, Briss T, Wendy's, the list goes on. I see a lot of producers chasing these major placements, major artist placements, and I understand it's very possible, but I gotta be a realist with you, man. Like, a lot of those major artists, some of them don't check their emails. A lot of them already have music producers that they go to already, and let's just keep it a beam, man. Like, sometimes if they send you their beats, they'll get their producers to remake it. Harsh reality. Honestly, the best way to get a major placement with a major artist is to really be in the studio with them and have those relationships. Does the average music producer really have that? Probably not. So I gotta give you a little backstory. I remember some years ago, I was pushing a song called Fogo de Chao, and it was featuring B King, RP B King, Texas legend. You know, I was doing a club run. I was going to 4 to 5 clubs a night, literally trying to get the DJ to play my song, and something just didn't feel right. Like, I felt like I was basically on a hamster wheel, and I was just going on this chitlin run pretty much, and it just wasn't working out. Like, the song did what it was supposed to do in the clubs and stuff, whatever, but I feel like I wasn't making an impact. But like one day, man, I pivoted and I got in the sync license, and literally 3 months later, I got my first placement. Like one of my first placements or whatever. Well, I remember, I think it was Jersey Shore. I think it was Jersey Shore. It was it was Are You the One? That's what it was. Are You the One or Jersey Shore? It was one of those two. And I remember somebody tagged me. They heard my voice on the screen, and I was excited. They was excited, man. It was one of those moments that I'll never forget. Like I said, the money is cool, but it's nothing like getting tagged in a video of your song on TV and somebody excited because they heard your voice on it. And it's nothing like getting those comments on your YouTube videos saying, this show brought me here, Grownish brought me here, BMF brought me here, the NBA brought me here, man, Are You the One brought me here, Bel Air brought me here. It's nothing like it though, man. And even though I'm used to it though, it still feels like feels like my first placement all over again, you know, and it's just a blessing. And the thing about sync licensing is I still have songs from 10 years ago that get placed today like it's brand new. And then they keep making money over and over and over. And this is what you got to understand about songs, which a lot of artists miss the point whenever they give up on songs. A song that you did 10 years ago, if a new person hears it today, it's brand new to them. Maybe old to you, but it's brand new to them. So keep that in mind. So this is actually the start of this Architect Mr. J Beats channel. And then I'm going to be talking about music tips, sync licensing, music news, and things that can help you out as an artist and a producer. And I'm going to be doing it for free on this page until I can't do it for free anymore. I'm going to give you as much information as I possibly can and that I know. A lot of you probably seen me on my gaming page, my gaming and artist page, Architect Mr. J. But this is Architect Mr. J Beats. And yeah, a lot of you probably didn't even know that I was a producer, a music producer. You probably just seen me playing video games and talking about video game news. But back at the topic at hand. But there's a way that you have to go about it with this sync licensing stuff. So a certain way that you have to structure your songs, the way that you talk to catalogs, the way you talk to music supervisors. There's a certain way that you go about it though, but the key thing though is building those relationships and not being difficult. And one main important thing is stop letting music sit on your hard drive just to collect dust, because it's not doing anything. You will miss every shot 100% of the time if you don't take it. Remember that. But you also have to be prepared. That's the one thing about sync licensing. You need to be prepared for the opportunity, that moment that's coming up, that brief that's coming up. Just in general, you just gotta be ready. And like I said before, there are billions of people on this earth. They never heard your song before, so everything is brand new to them. And you gotta understand, people love discovering new talent, new music, or whatever. Like they love to brag about this stuff. They love putting people on stuff. Thing is, there's so many ways to capitalize off sync licensing, man. It's just so many ways though, man. Like you gotta understand that People are going to, whenever people hear a song on a TV show, they're going to Shazam it, and then they're going to go stream your music. So now you have a way to go make content off of it. You get to get more streaming dollars, and you get to, it's just so many other doors just open up. And honestly though, man, I feel like I got I ended up becoming an NBA music producer for the Houston Rockets strictly off of a lot of the placements that I've gotten over the 10 years. It opened so many doors for me though, man, as well as being booked for a number of gigs that I've done, as far as like speaking engagements and even shows, even though if you're doing sync licensing, you're still an artist. And then I'm talking to my artists right now. And if you're a producer and you actually know how to write songs and you sound decent, you're an artist as well too. And which I'm going to be talking about that on another video. But I got to keep it 100 with y'all. I'm going to be blunt and honest with you when it comes to how to get your music in TV shows, things that work, things that don't work, and why things didn't work. And if you get offended and it triggers you, that's okay. It's cool because it means that you actually care. So the next video, I'm going to be talking about the things you need to do before even submitting your music to catalogs, supervisors, companies, just, a lot of checklists of things that you need to get ready for though, man. But definitely I appreciate everybody stopping by, watching this video, man. I look forward to growing this channel, Architect Mr. J Beats. And I'm looking forward to talking to everybody on the next video. Until next time, peace.
For you, what do you tell that aspiring producer that's watching this video right now that they're like, man, I want to have opportunities like that. I want to do dope stuff like that, but I'm just starting. What do you tell them to inspire them to keep going?
Never take it personal. Your time will come. But while your time is coming, like, don't stop working just because the time isn't here. You have to keep working while people aren't watching.
Come on.
Because you'll be ready for the moment, be prepared.
Super proud of you, man. Favorite Houston Rocket of all time would be?
Tracy McGrady. And I got December 9th, 2004, 13 points in 33 seconds against the San Antonio Spurs. Like T-Mac was that guy. Like, he was him.
You guys can come and check it out. You can come here live at the Toyota Center this season with the Houston Rockets, Clutch City Beats. Hey, H-Town, let's get it.